Hi friends, this is Shyamali. Welcome to Foodies. Today I am making vermicelli with vegetables. This is a savory dish and it's a very good option for breakfast, lunch, brunch. So let me show you the ingredients so that we can get started. Here I have vermicelli. In Bengali it's also known as chewi or in Hindi it's called sevaiya. So you can take this one or the toasted one, and we need a lot of vegetable. Here I have taken carrot, peas, corn, both kind of capsicum, cauliflower. You can add whatever vegetable you like, and we need some grated ginger, sliced onion, chopped green chilies, handful of cashew and raisin, and here I have taken for flavoring green cardamom, cloves, cinnamon. We need little bit of salt and sugar, and we also need some vegetable oil and ghee. Just because I am taking this one, so we need to toast the vermicelli. So as you can see that I have already preheated my oven. Now let's go over to the stove. Adding my vermicelli to this preheated pan, and over medium low heat I need to roast or toast this vermicelli for a couple of minutes, about 4 to 5 minutes, just to develop the golden color. And here I just want to tell you one more thing, that usually on Mondays I follow sattvic diet. On that day I don't add onion. So if you want to make the dish without onion, you can easily do it. It will taste equally delicious. This is the texture or color we need. So I'm going to transfer it into the plate. I have preheated some oil in this pan, and now I'm adding my cashew and fry it just for a few seconds and then remove from oil. Adding tempering to the remaining oil, and if you add onion, add at this point. Sprinkling salt just for the onion. Over medium heat cook until onion is softened, and then add your cauliflower. And over medium heat continue cooking for a couple of minutes, and then we'll add our remaining vegetables. Now I can see that my cauliflower is a little bit softened. At this point I'm going to add this grated ginger and green chili. When the raw smell of the ginger will remove, I'll add my vegetable. Adding my vegetables, sprinkling salt, and over medium heat continue cooking. I'm adding my ghee now. There is no reason, but you can add before or maybe little bit later. My vegetables are just the way I want them. So at this point I'm adding raisins, cashew, adding this vermicelli, sprinkling salt for vermicelli, cook for just for a minute, and then I'll add water. Make sure you are adding warm water. Adding water. Let it comes up to a boil. Sprinkling sugar. Now over medium to medium high heat, continue cooking just for 5 minutes and partially cover with a lid. As you can see that it absorbs all the water. So now I am going to turn off the heat and cover with a lid and give 5 to 10 minutes standing time. See, this is the texture we need. Now it's ready to serve. Did you like this recipe? If so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with others. If you have any other suggestion, do let me know in the comment section, because as you know, I always seeking for your suggestion, advice, your comment. If this is your first time here, you are most welcome. You will get all my written recipe in my website foodiesandrecipes.com, and I would love to see you on my different social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Come and join me. We'll meet again. Till then, bye.